Hello, this is Mr. Akins, and we're going to go over some Schoology Basics and ways to be a successful virtual school student. After signing in through your student portal, you'll see a series of tiles. And for a middle school student, one of the most important tiles is the Schoology tile. This is where all your classes will be located. After clicking on the Schoology tile, you'll be taken to Recent Activity, which is important, but the most important spot is where your courses are. So you'll click here for your courses, and you'll have a series of tiles that will display all the classes that you're taking through Schoology. We're going to click on the 8th grade mathematics tile. Once we click on the 8th grade mathematics tile, one of the most important spots to be at is the materials page. The materials page is where we're going to find everything we need for this class. So let's talk about 3 ways to be a successful virtual school student. One way is to be organized, and the materials page is going to help you be organized. On my materials page, I'm going to provide a folder for each quarter's assignments. I've got first quarter assignments in this folder, second quarter assignments in this folder. We're going to click on second quarter assignments. Once you click on second quarter assignments, it's going to give you a list of the assignments for each week. Once you click on each week, it will tell you the assignments for that week. A great thing to do would be to make a list of the assignments that you need to do that week. Once you make that list and you do an assignment, check that assignment off. That's a great way to be organized. Another great way to be organized is to make a schedule of your Google Meets, the times and dates that you'll have those. My times and dates are located again on the materials page. For this class, I'll have a Google Meet every Tuesday and Thursday from 9 to 10 a.m. I also provide the code. Most teachers will have their Google Meets times and dates posted on the materials page. A great time to work on those classes is probably the days that you have Google Meets. You could work on the class before the Google Meet, and therefore you can then ask the teacher directly questions about content or simply how to submit something. Here is an example of a Google Meet schedule an 8th grader could have. The materials page is also the most effective way to learn using a Schoology class. Content, especially in math, is presented in the order it needs to be learned. Many math concepts build upon each other, so it would be a great idea to start with week 1, assignment 1. Even if you have not done something for maybe 3 to 5 weeks, it would be the best policy to start with week 1, assignment 1, and work from there. Another way to be a successful virtual school student is to self-advocate, meaning speaking up for oneself. And to do this, everyone needs to communicate effectively. So how do parents, students, and teachers communicate? Well, we can use Schoology Messenger. We could use email, Remind, text, or phone calls. Schoology Messenger is located in the upper right-hand corner and looks like a letter. Many teachers use Schoology Messenger to dispense important information like STAR test dates or other upcoming events. Email is another great way to contact teachers or for parents and teachers to contact each other. We will also use Remind, and many teachers also have a way for you to text or phone call. Some may have a Google Voice. My Google Voice and email contacts are listed here. A third way to be a successful virtual school student is to be self-motivated. Unlike traditional school where you are pressured by the teacher each day to complete assignments, virtual school students a lot of times must rely on themselves to achieve the goals they want to achieve. It is up to the student to make a schedule, attend Google Meets, and answer messages from teachers. Many times it's not about what you are doing when people are watching, but what you're doing when people are not watching.